Hi children. Okay. Today we are going to learn colors name. Are you ready? Okay. We are using this material. This material name is color. Say everyone color. Gradation. Tablets. Color. Gradation. Tablet. Now I will ask a color's name. You say the what is that color's name. Okay. Are you ready? Okay. What is this color? This is orange color. What is this color? Yeah. This is yellow color. What is this color? Yes, very good. This is green color. What is this color? This is blue color. What is this color name? This is purple color. What is this color name? Yes, very good. This is red color. In middle one color is there. Which color this? Brown color. This is brown color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Red color. Brown color. Very good.